Welcome to this video presentation here at Wimbledon Carriage Company, and here we have the Volvo XC90 on a 19 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through just a few of the controls on the inside of it from there. From the outside you can see it's a 5-door car with alloy wheels and tinted windows. We're going to start off inside the boot area first of all. The tailgate on this car will open electronically. You can either do that from the button on the key or from the tailgate itself. As we then approach the back of the car, you'll see we have reversing sensors. The boot space you are looking at the moment is with 7 seats in place. You can, of course, drop these rear 2 down, and in doing so, you'll increase this space even further. And as you can see, that gives you loads of space. You can, of course, fold down those remaining seats should you need even more space than this. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back around to the front of the car, and then we'll hop in, and as I mentioned, just run through a few of the controls on the inside. Now that we've done a full circle of it though, you can see the alloy wheels are all in pristine condition, as is the bodywork the whole way around the vehicle. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that right now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. Over on the left-hand side, first of all, we have the speedometer, a digital readout for the speedometer, and the total miles of this car, which are 46,375. Over on the right-hand side, we have the rev counter. Within that, it will show you what gear this vehicle is in. It's an automatic, so of course we're in park at the moment. And at the bottom of that section, the fuel gauge. In the center, you can see the satellite navigation being displayed. You can, if you wish to, interact with that menu and change the menus available up there using the buttons just here. We have voice activation for our phone. We have cruise control. Behind the steering wheel, the minus and plus pedal so that you can change down or up a gear manually with this automatic gearbox. In the center, we then have the main touchscreen for the car. So starting at the top, you can access your satellite navigation. Really nice, clear color display. Very easy system to use. We have our Bluetooth menu just here. So Bluetooth audio, you can listen to your music via Bluetooth audio, streaming your music directly from your phone once you've paired it. We've got FM and DAB radio up there as well. Pairing your phone is easy. Just hit the phone button and follow the instructions on screen by adding a phone. And at the bottom of this section, we can bring up our climate control menu. So you can change the direction the air is being distributed in. You can turn your air conditioning off, on again. You can recirculate the air that's in the car. You can change the speed of the fans down here. And of course, the temperature. So for the passenger, you can either tap on the temperature you want to change it to, or you can use the slider, and it works in the same way for the driver as well. You can close that down, close that. We've got controls then for our heated driver's seat, and the same here for the passenger side, and you can shut that down. This button down the bottom takes you back to the main menu at any time you wish to. And if we pop the vehicle in reverse, you can see the full color reversing camera as well. Below that, we have the main volume for your stereo, the gear lever for the fully automatic gearbox. You can open up this section. There's some storage inside here, and all of this. In there, you'll also find a 12-volt charging socket. This dial is what you start the car with, so you just need to make sure the key is in the vehicle with you. That's it switched off and on again. You can change the driving mode of the car. We have an electronic handbrake with an auto hold function as well. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car for yourself and have a test drive, or you'd like a live bespoke video tour of the car, please feel free to give us a call here at Wimbledon Carriage Company. We'd love to hear from you soon.